Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and in this video I thought I'd explain what a door arm is. A door arm is a component of a door closer, and if you're asking what a door arm is, most likely you already understand what a door closer is. It's that rectangular shaped aluminum cast product that is usually surface mounted to the door frame, towards the top of the door frame on the hinge side. And it works as a commercial safety device to dampen the closing speed of the door once it's open. The actual door arm refers to the arm assembly that connects from the door to the closer body's arm spindle. This arm, there are a few different configurations of this arm. You may have heard of the term regular or standard arm, and that just refers to the actual regular arm assembly used on a regular arm installation of the door closer. Regular arm installation is when the door closer is mounted to the pull side of the door, and the closer body is located on the door, mounted to the top of the door, and the arm is mounted to the top of the frame. That's what we call a regular arm installation. So that regular arm is what comes with every door closer you purchase. We refer to that as the regular arm. The regular arm is also used on top jam installation door closers, and that's essentially where the door closer body is mounted on the top of the door frame on the push side of the door, and the arm is attached to the door. So the regular arm is used in two different installation types. Now the parallel arm installation, you may have heard of the term parallel arm, that refers to the door closer arm that is used in the parallel arm installation. And how that works is there's an additional component that is attached or connected to the shoe, which is the end piece on the door arm, where two screws mount, you typically to attach it to either the door frame. Well, those two, the door shoe is attached to a special parallel arm bracket, and that parallel arm bracket is designed to attach to the underside of the header of the door frame head. So in a parallel arm installation door closer, the door closer body is mounted to the the push side of the door on the door itself. So the door closer body attaches to the push side of the door, and the arm with the parallel arm bracket then attaches to the top of the head of the door frame. And that assembly, the assembly of the standard arm plus the parallel arm bracket, is what makes up a parallel arm. There are other types of door arms out there, including hold open door arms, which have a compression type of function where you screw in the dial and it uses friction to hold the door open, and then when you want to release it you can unscrew it. There are many other types of arms out there as well, but those are the I guess two basic types of arms: your regular arm and your parallel arm. And then obviously there's arms such as the hold open arm and other arms with cushioning functions and other things of that nature. But when you hear a door hardware person or handyman or technician, anybody of that sort referring to a door arm, that is essentially what they're meaning. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email us at sales@autodoorandhardware.com, and we'd be more than happy to help you out and explain in detail if you have any other questions regarding this topic. We do sell our own commercial grade door closers called Commando door closers, and I'll link them down below. Also, if you're looking for replacement door closers or need help replacing your door closers, feel free to contact us. With our Commando door closer line, we have models that are designed to fit the same footprint as hundreds of other door closer brands out there, so that installation is fast and easy. It's simple as removing screws and putting our closer body up and screwing them back into the original holes. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks, guys.